Many people have taken issue with the stereo satellites recently, almost demanding an explanation of what's going on. I've had a few comments here and there asking me to do a debunking of the claims, and there are many videos from other users who have already debunked it themselves, which is great to see. Anyone can do the research needed to get to the bottom of these claims. Before we start with a look at the year so far, let's have a look at how long it takes to find a problem with the recent claims of a CME or a rogue planet. The latest imagery page. See something strange? Check here first. Image artifacts. Let's click on Internal Reflections. Light reflecting inside the telescope optics and diffracting off edges within the telescopes can produce some interesting effects. Consider this series of images showing the planet Venus leaving the field of view of the HI-1b telescope from January 26th to the 31st, 2009. As Venus approaches the edge of the field of view, a ring shape is seen, apparently coming out of the planet. This is caused by reflections of the bright planet off the camera barrel. The ring grows progressively larger as time goes by. On January 31st, a horizontal streak appears near the position where Venus disappeared. This latter effect is caused by diffraction off the optical baffles. A minimum of 2 clicks. 2 clicks on the very same website where you get this image data, and many of the more popular claims have been debunked. And I can see plenty of other users checking these claims out and doing just a little bit of research to debunk them too. All you need to do before posting a video is a little bit of research. This video shows you what Stereo B's HI-1 instrument has seen since January the 1st this year. Every artifact, every planet, everything of interest is labelled. And once more, every useful resource to help you do all of this yourselves will be in the description. So, off we go. I seriously hope you take the time to learn about the very instruments you claim show evidence for Nibiru, among other things. Think of it this way. I have no idea how an MRI scan works, and as such I do not go around diagnosing brain tumours. It appears to me that many people have no idea how the stereo satellites in their instruments work, and yet somehow these people are able to find the elusive Nibiru within them, when science cannot. So tell me, please, that you know how these satellites operate. Tell me, through your thorough understanding of their instruments, why your object cannot be an artifact or a known planet, and how it must, without any shadow of a doubt, be whatever you claim it to be instead. I have no real problems with you proposing new theories, or even just asking some questions about this sort of imagery, but I have problems when your theories have absolutely no supporting evidence and can be debunked within a couple of minutes. If any of you do care about the Earth so much, and have an interest in stereo, which you appear to have, then why not log on to Solar Stormwatch? Help science identify the very things that many doomsday believers suggest will be the cause of the end times in the first place: CMEs, solar storms and the like. Just give us all something that actually makes science stop and think, something that makes your claims worthy of consideration. Contribute to science for once, rather than wildly guessing at imagery you don't appear to know anything about. Many of your attempts so far only result in one thing: the rest of us doing this.